Good night, Betty. Sleep well, my little girl.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
Love you.
Hello?
Who are you? What are you doing here?
I am Clara. Don't fear me, I look horrible, but I'm not a bad person.
But why are you here?
I am here to meet you, Betty. You are the chosen one.
Chosen one? What do you mean?
You will understand it soon. I need your help. Will you help me?
How can I help you?
You have to come with me to help me.
Sure, my mother has taught me to always help others.
Nice teaching, Betty. Let's go.
Hi, this is Betty. You must have seen how I agreed to go with Clara. We are on our way to her dreamland. Wow, this place is magical. But why did you bring me here, Clara?
Betty, you possess a unique gift, the ability to bring joy and happiness. Our dreamland has lost its sparkle, and I believe your kindness can help restore it.
Oh, but why is it so?
We've lost our chest where joy and happiness have been kept. Now no one knows how to find it back.
We need to find the chest and spread happiness. As we passed by, we encountered many sad creatures. I really felt the need to help them. Oh, Clara, all the creatures here look so gloomy. We must help them.
Indeed, Betty. Let's find out what can bring them joy.
Isn't there anybody else who can help us in finding the chest?
There must be. Oh, yes, let's talk to Mr. Skeleton. Over there he is.
Everything used to be so lively here, but now it's just dull.
Don't worry, we're here to bring back the joy. What makes you happy?
We miss the laughter and the colorful dances that used to fill this place.
Betty, it seems we need to find the source of joy that's been missing. We need to find the chest.
Mr. Skeleton, do you have any idea where can we find the chest?
The chest has been taken away by the grumpy pumpkin. He will only give it to a kind-hearted person.
Don't worry, Betty is the kind-hearted person who will get the chest back.
Betty, we all will be forever thankful to you.
Don't worry, friends. This dreamland will be vibrant again.
Let's go to the grumpy pumpkin.
Follow me.
Hello, Mr. Pumpkin.
Who dares enter my cave? State your business!
Grumpy Pumpkin, we seek the chest of joy. This kind-hearted girl, Betty, wishes to bring happiness back to our dreamland.
Happiness? In my cave? Impossible!
Mr. Grumpy Pumpkin, we understand you have the chest. We promise to use it wisely and share the joy with everyone in the dreamland.
I've been grumpy for so long. Fine, you can have the chest. But remember, happiness is a precious thing.
Thank you, Mr. Grumpy Pumpkin. Your kindness will not be forgotten.
Maybe a little happiness wouldn't hurt once in a while. Here's the chest.
What is happening? Who are you?
It's me, Betty, your friend Clara.
Clara? I don't understand. What is happening?
This dreamland was cursed, and I was also under a spell. We needed a kind-hearted person to break the spell.
Really? It feels like I am dreaming.
Yeah, right. But this is the truth, Betty.
Oh, wow. This sounds so dreamy.
Thank you so much, Betty. You helped all of us.
You're welcome, Clara. I gotta make a new friend tonight. I am so happy. But where is everyone else?
They were also stuck here. As the chest opens, they all are also free from the spell. They went to their dreamlands. This one is mine.
Okay, so finally this dreamland is full of joy and happiness again.
Yes, it's all because of you. Please come here to play whenever you want. I will be very happy.
Surely I will. We are friends now.
We are best friends.
So, this was one of the best days of my life. As we said goodbye to the dreamland, its lessons stayed with me. With a kind heart, any problem can be solved, and friendship can brighten even the darkest corners. Grateful for this magical day, I say goodbye to you too. For more such stories, follow Sacroplex Kids.